Hello, in this Python programming video we are going to look at implementing a checkbox. At least that's what it's called in a lot of other sort of GUI interfaces. It's called a check button in here because I guess that makes sense as well. It's something that you can check on and off, and it is the form of a button. Okay, so to do that, what we've already got is just a basic template of it's happened again. I just need to close this and reopen the file. Sometimes that happens with my IDE. And reopen that. Okay, that's all good. So you just got the basic template for GUI stuff, and in here we just need to do cv equals int var. So this is just an integer variable. Just make sure you got from tkin to import everything. We'll need that for the int var. Now we're going to do cb equals check button. So this is the actual button itself, check button, and this need a few parameters. One will be window, so this is where it's going to draw it to. One's going to be text, which is basically the text that will be displayed by the check button. So I'm just going to just put text here. Then I'm going to put variable, and you need to assign this to the integer variable that we created, and on value equals 1. So that just allows us to modify what the values mean if it's on or off. Off value is 0. That's pretty default, but you could change it to, I don't know, 520 if you want to. It's totally up to you. Height equals, let's say, 40, and the width equals 10. Let's say 40 as well. So 30, I'll actually put 30. Finally, we just need to do cb.pack, so this actually wraps it up, and if we run it, check button is not defined. Okay, my mistake. It's at lowercase b, and there we go. We have our little thing right here. We've got the text, the button right now, which is very wide, hence why the text is like that. But apart from that, that is it. There's nothing more to it than that. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.